Hey everyone, so today we're going to talk about how can we incorporate more veggies in our overall diet, what should a portion look like, and what are some tips and tricks you can easily follow without really thinking per se. First off, I wanted to say we typically don't overeat on veggies. A lot of people shy away from them just because they don't taste good, texture doesn't sit well with them, or we don't know how to cook to make them actually taste good. So we've kind of come up with some tips here, and we'll talk about portioning after we get through our 4 tips. Tip number 1 is blend your veggies in a smoothie. It's delicious. You can mask the taste of the veggies if you don't typically care for them. You can throw in whey protein and mask that taste of the veggies with fruit. So it's a really good way. It's quick. You can take it with you on the go. Again, for our busy lifestyles, a lot of us lead. That's a really great way to mask your veggies. Second is I wanted to talk about zucchini noodles. Zucchini noodles are a great alternative to pasta. Not that carbs are bad. Not at all. We just want to up our veggie intake overall. So you can swap pasta for zucchini noodles, and that's another really great way to keep your meal lower calorie while upping your veggies. Third is cauliflower crust. So I love pizza. Everyone loves pizza. Cauliflower crust is a great way to kind of incorporate veggies into a Friday night meal. So throw in your pizza next time with cauliflower crust and you're on your way to, again, a lower calorie meal with higher veggie intake. Last but not least, my tip is to get comfortable with your air fryer or oven. Baking your veggies or air frying your veggies is delicious. They're crispy. I enjoy it a ton, and I think it's a lot easier per se than trying to make veggies mixed in with a meal. It's super easy, efficient, quick, and you can even make like kale chips or things like that to just have at home to grab and kind of eat while you're watching TV, doing work. It's a lower calorie snack and you don't have to worry about overeating too much on veggies. But let's talk about portion a little bit now that we've hit all of our tips. So you generally want your portion of veggies maybe to resemble the size of your fist. We talk about in our protein video using the size of your palm or your fist as a general guideline to how big your portion of protein should be on a plate. So same thing with veggies. We generally want to shoot for the size of our fist. And again, how I talked about in the beginning, you typically can't or won't overeat on veggies just because they're generally lower calorie than most things. So again, fill your plate with veggies, shoot for the size of your fist. It's a great, easy way to measure that. And it's easy and efficient for, again, the busy lives that we all lead. So I hope you like this video. Let me know if you have any questions, comment, DM us, let us know. And I hope you learned a ton. We'll see you next time.